northeast as well, and in future it can cover whole India.
मेरा नाम फ़क्र आलम है। मैं दिल्ली स्टेट रिपब्लिकन पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया अठावले का।
नहीं करनी चाहिए किसी भी सरकार को जब कोई भी गवर्नमेंट सिचुएशन को नॉर्मल।
हम सब साथ इकट्ठा हुए हैं यहाँ पे दिल्ली में हमारे पार्टी के ऑफिस में, क्योंकि
northeast as well, and in future it can cover whole India.
मेरा नाम फ़क्र आलम है। मैं दिल्ली स्टेट रिपब्लिकन पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया अठावले का।
नहीं करनी चाहिए किसी भी सरकार को जब कोई भी गवर्नमेंट सिचुएशन को नॉर्मल।
हम सब साथ इकट्ठा हुए हैं यहाँ पे दिल्ली में हमारे पार्टी के ऑफिस में, क्योंकि
related in the sense that it's all part of the reactions. If something is happening somewhere, then there's also a reaction. Related in the sense that it's all part of the reactions. If something is happening somewhere, then there's also a reaction.
हेलो, थोड़ा सा मूड करवाया था, करवाने के लिए अभी लाइव देने के लिए ऑडियो भी दे रहे हैं।
So basically, I will be giving some kind of a statement regarding the recent incident that is happening in Jiribam, and IG Jayenta, he will also be later on giving it in Manipuri also, in brief. And we are making it very brief so that we are just giving you mostly factual situation there, so that things can be more clearer for everyone. So what happened yesterday in Jiribam was that around in the afternoon, around 2:30 to 3, there was an attack by armed miscreants at this Boropekra police station, and also at the CRPF camp just located very nearby there, at Jalurato. Yes. So in that, the armed militants, they were using RPGs and sophisticated automatic weapons such as AK and INSAS and SLRs, and the CRP also. After they were attacked, one of them got injured, and the person was evacuated to Assam for treatment. The CRP also retaliated to the attack, and after that the firing stops after about 45 minutes. We found that there were a lot of casualties. About 10 militants were found dead. 2 old persons, senior persons, were found burned to death, and 3 women and 3 children, minors, were found missing. So this is the situation that happened yesterday, and now the police is trying to trace those 3 missing women and 3 minor children. That is the situation. And the thing is that it is a very unfortunate situation, thing that happened yesterday. Our armed forces, we try to always caution them to restrict their firing. That is one of our standard practice. In almost all situations, we always tell them to restrict their firing. But when it is fired upon with sophisticated weapons, with rocket launchers and this and that, then that retaliation also is part of our this mandate. And in that mandate, that 10 peoples, 10 armed militants were founded. And we have lodged a FIR, and reinforcement also have gone there. The Assam Rifles, the CRPF, and also the civil police reinforcement has gone there, and we are doing combing operations in that Jagura Troy area. And a case also has been lodged with regard to that.
Apart from the police also include the cyclone attack, and that
We will say that all these things are related in the sense that it's all part of the reactions. If something is happening somewhere, then there's also a reaction in other parts of various parts of our state. So this is one of the things. So, but we are right now just concentrating only on the Jayenta.
So, whereas the police statement that came in yesterday also said just armed miscreants, and there are reports that those who are suspected to be militants. Meanwhile, Cookie organization KSO, our student association has been saying that they are just village volunteers. So how do you react to that, sir?
That armed miscreants is quite a clear thing in the sense that we have recovered yesterday 3 numbers of AKs, 4 number of SLRs, 2 INSAS, 1 rocket propelled grenade launcher, and other weapons. So that shows very clearly that they were armed militants or armed miscreants. And also you can see very well from the dress that they are wearing. They were wearing all the military type of dress. So all those things shows that they were there to create a lot of violence. But because of the role played by the CRPF, the scale of violence and death was controlled yesterday.
Sir, who is group that belongs to any sub-groups that they belong to, sir?
Jayenta will be giving it in
one question, sir.
Manipuri.
About this,
Suddenly, Borobeka police station, Jiribam, border state, border district, Masigi, Borobeka police station, attack to Garagituna, directly attack over target, over Singaragani Sudi, Aduvasimo Banka, Garahana, Bagin, make up or capsule of Sudi, Punchama to you, Rachu, Bolay. When the Lorena Garagi do Targa, Vlogna Yumse 79 houses which is reduced to access by the miscreants. Aduna Garagi do the home the Masigi attack to say. Is it Borobeka police station high Tarsu Masida Quina displaced persons in Sequay Comudato around 100. Mogi protection, police not be Aduga CRP going to support Tonova, CRPF Sule. Adigi Malang Mapada Zapurador Isis, the Society was layer. Adu Marang, become home the law, police stations that attacked our simultaneously. Then Adulaki CRP scientific attacked of Lapa, then couldn't make Harapus Dogi, CRP, police, Madule, the retaliate open. Retaliate Okudu Yamazuna, Canoni, Handuna, exchange of firing, say, lasting for about 45 minutes. Come so heavy weapon season Kabla Hukana lower, Minikun Nipunga, where consider to consider theory with the militants, I get militants. arm screen militancy taragi body se along with sophisticated assault rifles including field weapons in RPG wo yaw na recover to then we masada se li ko li sing si supra kanuni battle ki dress hata ni helmet yauri DT base yauri aduna moi se sa have a village volunteer ni happy akoi thajo ba ai di moi na nei ko aduga target to ko ke ko adu ma tu ni adulagi sit ten ke se body se phage phoma matung da koi na kundo mai sa ko ko to thiba kanda dead body ani displaced person ko ani mo phange adagi ama ani se da ma pai damage to mai sa ko pa yaw di then ai go mo su yaw re then atopa mana kanada hale then adagi se police ka asam rifle ka loina na ka ko khan इसकी जगह से करो है सी जगह से कि मी अहम बमगा कोई रेस्क्यू तो रे सामने का करो से यावरगा अदुना हुजी हुजी पुलबना 13 डिस्प्लेस्ड पर्सन कोई की रिफ्यूजी हाई तारा है सेंट्रल लो ले बसे सी मामगी मनु से कोई हुजी ले से असी बनी में यावरे हुजी हुजी टेस्ट होगम तब से लुपी मगा अंगाम माइनर खरगा मीटर पुलबना सी मा कोई थीब कोई बोंदरी करना अदुगा जिके साय को हम हमने रेस्क्यू तो है अदु तो सी के कोई अकाउंट जे थीबो फंगद्री मसे कोई करना रिइंफोर्समेंट थाजे कुछ नो जिबो सर्च रेस्क्यू के से जाथरी अदु होना भी मतुगा इनकाउंटर तंगरे मी सीरे डेड बॉडी अदु तो कोई पुलिस की केस इन्वेस्टिगेशन अदु कोई सबसाना तो मदि मथु सबसाना तो सी की इंफॉर्मेशन से मैं हमदा शेयर तो जबनी अदुना तबा गसाई की उगा लेनाबा मरी लेनाबा लेनादबा ना गसाई कोई सा आईजी दा हंगबदो ओय मरी लेनाबा लेनादबा हाइ हाइ यादरे अदुबो आफ्टर द फॉलो अप हुजिकी इंसिडेंट थोखर मतुंग दा कोई ना अते अते हानगी जगह खरा ददी सुमबगी केनो से पाउ लै नुंगे कापसन बा से कुंबी रोमदा देन इफाल की सोंगी फै कई खुमलो की मनिंग दा देन इफाल इसकी टाइनरी बस फाइदा अदु जिकी गरा की थोक वेदे की जिकी सिक्योरिटी फोर्स जिक लोइनम आर्मी असम राइफल बीएसएफ सीआरपीएफ सिविल पुलिस मैक्सिमम अलर्ट जिक लय अदुना हुजि हाय बसे गरा की तो जिकी कोई आईजी साल जो है मैक्सिमम रिस्ट्रेन नि कोई की ओनली व्हेन फायर अपॉन फायर हनबनी रिटालिएट तो गुनी अदुना हुजिती अटैक को तोरबदी रिटालिएट तो गुने अदुना मधुगी केरोदु तौरमदब तारबदी गरागी सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस ना रिटालिएट तौरद तारबदी लाइबो कोई तारा दुना बुइद पाइबा मुइगी फायर पावर दुना सिविलियन अटैक तौगे हना लाम तारबदी तौफु तौरिबनी लोइना एंटायरली जीवा जे पूरा तंगायबदी दुम लोइनी अदुना बुजिकी सिक्योरिटी फोर्स रिएक्ट तौकनी रिटालिएट तौकनी एक्ट तौकनी अदुना ऑल कंसर्न द कोई द हाइजबसे cooperation baby smai जिकी lawless ओइबा आई लेतबो दंना स्माइ मारा तौनिबा पुंतोक तोबा सिविलियन टारगेट तोबा दि पुलिस टारगेट तोबसे मसिदगी पुरा मसि वाखन खंद बेरका मसि तोकल फै मिसि बना या तोकनी नि सिरका कनाय पंजाब सोसाइटी की सोसाइटी जे कनानो कम पुनिमकी
ये तो की फोटो है मेरी जो आपको जो भी थी ले ताकि मतलब वो कर ले दिया तो सब लाइव वर्क करो से सब सारा मीडिया की को भी बोलते नहीं है सब सारा को जो प्रयत्न करता है आर्म स्ट्रेन में सब लगा ले तनी मतलब इन्वेस्टिगेशन
हुजिक से दे बसी की ताल गई है जरूरत नहीं हुजिक से सही तुम क्लियरली थप देना हुजिक से अनट्रेस हो रही है कोई माइनर यावरी लिपि गा गाता नहीं फोटो जो कोई से हुए अदो कोई मसी की से कंफर्म तौद्री है confirm until unless hungry kai de koi thi bale khiro hai
okay one simple
identity di khangki ro se an na bi le ki hai
loi le
one simple question is that
sure machine let's go